Natural does not always mean safe. The truth about herbal use. Natural, safe, healing. These words are often used interchangeably, especially when it comes to herbs. But here's the truth. Natural does not always mean safe. In this video, we'll explore the real risks and responsibilities behind using herbal remedies. We'll look at why herbs can sometimes help, sometimes harm, and how to approach them with respect, knowledge, and patience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to enjoy the benefits of herbs without putting yourself at risk. 1. Why people trust herbs. Humans naturally trust plants. We associate them with food, healing, and tradition. Many herbs have been passed down through generations, creating a strong belief in their safety. However, tradition gives us guidance, not immunity. The fact that something has been used for hundreds of years does not automatically make it safe for everyone. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to separate respect for herbal knowledge from blind trust. 2. Understanding herbs as active compounds. Herbs are powerful because they contain active compounds. These compounds interact with your body's organs and systems: the liver, kidneys, digestive system, nervous system, and even blood pressure. Any substance powerful enough to create change in your body can also create problems if misused. Recognizing that herbs are active, not passive, is the first step towards safe and effective use. This is why preparation, dosage, timing, and observation are so important. 3. Common ways herbs cause harm. Most problems with herbs do not come from the plants themselves, but from misuse. 1. Excessive dosage. More does not equal better. Too much stress the body and can lead to side effects. 2. Daily use without breaks. Your body needs cycles to process herbs safely. Copy-pasting advice without understanding. Online instructions often ignore individual differences. 4. Mixing multiple herbs without guidance. Not all herbs are compatible. Some may counteract each other or overstimulate your system. 5. Ignoring body signals. Dizziness, nausea, stomach upset, or fatigue are warning signs that must not be ignored. Awareness is key. Listening to your body is as important as the herbs themselves. 4. Who should be extra careful? Certain groups require extra caution when using herbs. Children. Their bodies react differently and require smaller doses. Pregnant women. Some herbs can affect hormonal balance or pregnancy safely. Elderly individuals. Metabolism slows with age, and interactions with medications become more likely. People on medication. Herbs can interact with prescription drugs, altering effectiveness or causing unexpected reactions. Caution here is not fear, it's wisdom. Respect for your own health ensures herbs remain allies, not hazards. Herbs are tools, not magic. When used wisely, they can support wellness, improve daily life, and complement healthy habits. When used carelessly, they can create problems that may take time to correct. Approach herbs with respect, awareness, patience, observation. By doing so, you transform herbal use from a gamble into a safe, effective wellness practice. Subscribe to Rooted Healing TV for responsible herbal education and learn how to maximize the benefits of herbs safely.